let's take a look about a few things. I do some Legos, right? I got a bunch of RC cars, anywhere from 10 scale, 14 scale, even the ones you get from like Disney World. Those two, me and my son got. 5th scale RCs, that's down there. And some old vintage. Flown a drone, driven a motorcycle. That's the one from Adam's Playground. He brought his Promoto out here. Pretty cool, I'm gonna have to get one. But I did pick up one. So today we're gonna try something different. Be right back. Seen a few videos, most of them a couple of years old, and seen one about 3 months ago. Again, Asian Tea. That's the name of the company, but it's called ATs. www.ats.com. That's where we got this from. I'm about to show you what it is. And then we're gonna take it out. Yes, xrider bars, ready to run. Let's see if there's any box art on here. Oh, yep, there is. 1/8 scale radio control motorcycle, Mars, features, technical data. Oh, 2 boxes. All right, guys, I'm not going to take you through this whole thing about taking out the box and everything else. I'll bring you back when I got everything on the table, all right? All right, so this is what you get in the box. You get some stickers, Mars. You also get a technical package for your motor ESC and how to bind and everything else, how to plug it in. And you get one for the universal radio transmitter. You got a parts guide here, parts list, all the parts that you need. If you need to order some extra parts, and you got optional parts here. Thank you for purchasing xrider's Mars 1/8 scale RC motorcycle. And this is their manual. Very short manual, but it gives you detail about it. Ready to run, steering setup. Oh, this is okay, look at this part. RC motorcycle comes with a counter steering system. It means that the direction between the transmitter steering wheel and the motorcycle's front wheel are opposite. So this is a counter steering, something new to me. And I'm pretty sure it's going to take me no more than a day to actually figure out how to drive this thing, but I'm going to learn it. Exploded view, parts guide. That's pretty cool. Everything you need to know about the motorcycle, how to put it together, take it apart. That's pretty interesting. Here's your parts listing here. You also get a charger. If you get some body clips, helmet. I don't know if this is, yeah, there's a stand come with it. So I'm guessing these are the sidebars that goes on the motorcycle to keep you from crashing or tearing up your body. And then you get the transmitter. So the transmitter is a normal transmitter, has all your settings in there. Has your steering reverse, throttle reverse, you got your bind button, you got your steering trim, you got your throttle trim, and you got your steering dual rate. Got your on-off switch here, and I guess these LED lights right here are for letting you know when power is low on the transmitter. You got a 3rd channel here, you got a 4th channel here. This is kind of small for my fingers, but it'll work. I can actually, but I won't be doing that with this truck, with this RC, this motorcycle. I'll be using both hands. And counter steering, oh yeah, you'd be using both hands. Yeah, it feels pretty good. It's not expensive, but it'll do. All right, here we go. Here's your battery right here. I got a Velcro strap. Hold it in. 1,300 milliamp, 25C, 7.4 volts, Lipo battery. Has their name written on top of it. xrider, passion from the universe. Okay, that's a bold statement. All right, you got your battery compartment here. Holds the 2S, and it says it's 2S and 3S compatible. This is the 25 amp ESC right here. Waterproof, brush motor, and again, this is brush. This is your brush motor, 21 turn. You got your receiver here is a 4-channel receiver. Got a micro servo here with dual servo arm. All right, so this has spring tensions on it, I guess to keep it straight and in line. The gyro is a mechanical gyro, meaning that once the wheels start spinning, the gyro starts activating, and it's supposed to help you maintain a straight up and down balance. It has 2 drive belts. One's the rear, and you have one on the side here. You have your on-off switch here, and you can program it. You got your front inverted shocks here. There's no braking on the shocks. There's no braking in the rear except for by the ESC and motor. The body is all carbon fiber, and I'm guessing this is where it does have a coilover shock in the rear. It's pretty good, pretty decent. It is adjustable. Let's see. Pretty good. Rebound in the back. Guessing the front's the same. Nope. Oh. For steering. All right. And I'm going to show you real quick because I got to change it since I am a beginner. So it says the left positioning is for fast turn. The right positioning is for beginners. And the middle position just for regular all day driving. So since I'm a beginner, I'm going to put it in the left so I can get used to this bike before I do anything with it. Oh, and this is a counter steering. So when you start turning, if you want to turn to the left, turn to the left, you're going to have to counter steer to keep that turn going. When you turn to the right, counter steer to keep that turn going. That's something new for me that we're going to have to learn. Beginner mode now for me for steering. Once again, new for me. So I'm going to learn this thing. All right, so if you guys notice, there's a funky color going on here. Bright red, deep dark red. I tried to strip this down. Used alcohol at first, didn't work. Then I used nail polish remover and it kind of dried everything up, cracked it, broke the feet and everything else. So this is going to be a demo body for outside. I've purchased another body and frame or cowl system for it. In the works of painting that, so hopefully have that done and show you what it look like when we get done. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the body. Yeah, I kind of jacked that up. All right, here we are with the Mars xrider. Learning curve, learning curve, learning curve, learning curve. I did practice inside a little bit. Hopefully it'll work out. If it doesn't, we'll see. That's what I figured, get it out there. All right. Damn, like, what has he got today? I got a motorcycle today. kind of steer. Yep. The learning curve, big learning curve on this. All right, let me adjust these stabilizer bars. Ooh. All right. Couple more rounds. Ooh. Yeah, I think the gyro is giving that funk, that wobble. It's a learning curve, learning curve, learning curve, learning curve. Next to the end, I don't want me to take my hands off the steering wheel. But so far, and this is the xrider from Mars, from the xrider series. They have the CX3 and this. I might get the CX3. I don't know yet. Make the turn. Straighten the wheel out. Make the turn. Straighten the wheel out. Oh yeah. One more rip. There we go. Okay, yeah, let's call it quits now. Alright everyone, so you know the deal. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna sit out here a little bit and play with this thing. Get better used to it. And you don't hear a little clicking of me letting go of my steering wheel on the controller, because yeah, I got a bad habit of doing that, and I think this is going to teach me for not to do that. Alright everyone, so you know the deal. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. That's what I'm asking you to do, right? Me and the xrider from Mars from the xrider, we're out. Let me see if I can get you down here one time and then bring you back straight. Here we go, 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 yes. Get out of the grass, dude. All right, everyone, we're out.